Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick one for you today. If you have a refrigerator, this one's a KitchenAid. This also works with the Samsungs and a few other makes. But if you have the flashing blue light, what most likely is happening is you are running a cycle. You open the door to put something else in there or take something out. You close the door. That's what it does. Here's what you need to do. Just press the start button. But the trick is, don't just press it once quick. Actually, it worked for me on that time, which is a miracle. This top piece, oh, there it is blinking again. This top piece is really touchy. Number one, make sure it's dry. Number two, if you push a button on here and it doesn't work, hold it down for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, it goes solid. Now you have 4 seconds to close the door. Oop, still blue, maybe I took too long. Let's see. Push down the start, wait till it goes solid, close it. Now the blue light's going, meaning that the system is going to resume the cycle. It's going to keep cleaning at this point. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.